Hi friends, how are you doing? I'm Guru Rajan. Welcome to my YouTube channel to watch this sequence of videos on becoming a better programmer. In this video, you will get specific tips on improving your programming skills. Please make sure you watch till the end. Let's get in straight away. So the three things you want to learn and be a better programmer is you want to know about data types first. So what are the data types that your language supports? You want to know about the standard data types such as int, float, bool, string and character. So these 5 individual data types, make sure you know the syntax and how to use them. And then you have a sequence of collection data types. You have array, structure, vector, list and dictionary. So these are a collection of the individual data types that we saw earlier. So make sure you know the syntax and how to use these 10 data types properly, whatever be the language you are learning. The second one is know about the operators in the language. So there are 3 main types of operators: arithmetic operators, logical operators and comparison operators. So arithmetic operators, you are aware, you have plus, minus, multiply and divide. And then logical operators, predominantly only 2 types. You have and or. And then you have the comparison operators, double equal to, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So know how to use these operators properly. And then you have the statements. So what are the types of statements you have? You have a simple statement, conditional statement and a looping statement. Simple statements can be as easy as num equal to num plus 5, val equal to val star 5. These are simple statements, maybe break or a continue. Learn how to use these simple statements. Then you have conditionals. You have if else, if this is true then do this, else do this. Then you have a switch case. So switch based on a particular value that you have been given as input or you got through some other program. Switch case. Obviously C and C++ has the switch case. Python doesn't have this. So make sure you are aware of the syntax of these conditional statements. So then comes the looping statements. You have the for loop, the while loop and the do while loop. So make sure what are the conditions in which for is used, what are the scenarios in which while is used, and understand typical examples of where while loop can be used, where for loop can be used. For example, the for loop could be used with some of the collection data types. And make sure you also understand the do while. So once you understand these 3 types of statements, the simple statement, conditional statements and the looping statements, then you are ready to go. So you know the operators, you know the built-in data types, you know the statements, then you are ready to write a program. And make sure you write a lot of simple programs by your own. So one of the things the inventors of programming language talk about is programming is a way of expressing your thought to the computer. So make sure you are aware of that. Programming is a way of expressing your thought to the computer. And make sure you have clarity of thought before you start to write a program. Make sure you write simple programs on your own and before you Google for an answer. For example, you could start out with printing the primes in the range of 500 to 1000, printing the perfect numbers in the range 1 to 10,000, or probably finding if the given number is a palindrome number, and then finding if the name is available in the list and then printing welcome if it is available and then let's meet next time if it is not available. So some of these programs you can start writing yourself. This will give you enough confidence to attack the tougher programs. When you are writing new programs, choose programs that are at an appropriate skill level. Don't choose programs that are very tough. Don't choose programs that are very easy as well. Choose a program at a particular skill level which is slightly above your current skill. This is very important because then it will create challenge in your mind to solve the program, and also it will not, if the program is too challenging, you will not even start. If the program is too easy for you, you will get bored. So make sure you choose the difficulty level of the new program which is slightly above your current skill. Hope you liked this video. Please click the like button. Also look for some other links that are provided below to learn more on this subject. Thanks a lot for watching.